a dream I know. Deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news na we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name, amen. I get video wey I wan present to una this very moment, and I go dey follow una dey watch the video. After we don watch am together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
Right, so you just watch Chi Watalago. Chi Watalago appeared on Biafra flag, the Biafra flag outfit of Chi Watalago. Why I played the video of Chi Watalago and why I posted the picture is because I have personally called on him on this program several times, and I have always quoted him. And I think with what is happening, he has been motivated by situations. He has been motivated by what is going on. He has been motivated by a lot of things. So when you see something like this, we need to promote it. We need to let him understand that whenever somebody do something like this, we need to recognize the person. We need to promote whatever that person do for others to follow and learn. I don't understand how my voice is cracking. This voice is not cracking again. Ada Stella, can you check your phone? You can close your browser and open it again. Okay? You can close your browser and open it again. It is better now. All right. I have come this afternoon to address a lot of things that is happening. A lot of things that is happening, I have come to address. Some people are sharing the video of the EFCC chairman almost fainting. You see, I have always said it. Nobody serving in this government is alive. Nobody. From A to Z. Is it not just a few days ago I was saying it? Nobody is alive. They are all dead men walking. All the people serving in this evil, demonic, and terrorist, Fulanized government of Nigeria are all walking corpses. They are not alive. They are not alive. Both from the man who they hired from Sudan or from Chad to parade himself as president, from A to Z, they are not alive. I want you people to think about it. Do you see anybody in this government that is looking like a human being? No, okay, let us throw challenge. I want you to show me one single person serving in this government, appointed by the presidency, that is looking like a human being. From A to Z. From A to Z. I want you to show me one person. Is it Osibanjo, who is the vice president? Is it Chris Ngige? Is it Tinubu? No, I want you to just take your time and think from the beginning to the lowest person. Is anybody looking like a human being? Let me show you. Let me just tell you one thing. I can begin to yes, it's the last day now. I can begin to show you pictures and videos of all the people that are serving in this government. They are not like human beings. They are not like human beings. And they can never be human beings. Okay? They are not. When you look at them, they look so tattered. They look so, hungry. They look like people that something is drawing their blood. They look like people that which is just sucking their blood. They don't look like people. They don't look like, even the Nigerians that are hungry are better than them. Am I lying? When we are saying this thing, some of you don't. By the way, I am watching this video from our app. Did you see that? Did you see our app, our live streaming app? And your comment is showing. You see your comment? All your comment is showing here. Did you see that? Our live broadcasting app. Look at it. When you minimize the phone, look the app here. Are you seeing that? Our live broadcasting app. Our live broadcasting app. You see? You see? Our live broadcasting. No, you cannot download it yet because it is not yet. We have not finished. There are some features I want them to put there. There are some things, extra things I want them to put there. So they are putting it. So once they finish it, you are going to see it on App Store. So, but for now, I am the only one. I am the only one watching it. I am the only one enjoying this. Enjoying the app. You see, the app is working perfectly, and everything is working. So we are progressing in this. They are not going to do any grigri, any garagara with us again for broadcasting. So if you want to watch, if you want to keep yourself up to date on our broadcast, on our live videos, you must go and download the app when the app comes out, so that immediately I'm live, you will get the notification. You get the notification on your phone immediately. As soon as if you download this app, you're going to get the notification. Wherever we post something, wherever we are live, you're going to see it here. And most of our posts will be coming here too. So as I'm watching your comment, I'm reading your comment from the app. Okay? Now, what I was saying is that none of the people that are serving in Nigeria government, none of them are alive. They look like people who are very, very sick, all of them from A to Z. They look sick and they look very, very sick. So I'm going to show you two people. Okay? I'm going to show you two people serving in this government that are dead men walking. I'm going to show you Hope Uzodinma. I'm going to show you Hope Uzodinma of Imo State. I'm going to show you Bala, the EFCC chairman, the son of Malami, Abubakar Malami or whatever. I want to show you. Now let us go there. We told them, all of you that are fighting Biafra. Someone said they look like Hanias. By the way, I am going to walk like this Bala. I'm going to demonstrate how he walk. Now let us go there. Allow Biafra to go, you say no. Leave Biafra to go, you say no. You say instead of Biafra, over your dead body. Okay. Over your dead body for you to get Biafra.
It's a huge problem, particularly on the aspect of cybercrime that we are, investigating. I remember very well.
Look at it.
Some time ago in Ibadan, we arrested a young man with 116 SIM cards. Huge problem.
There we go. There we go. People who are not physically and mentally fit. People who are not physically and mentally fit. They are not fit. They can't go to gym. They can't do what we Biafrans are doing. They can't go to gym. They see us when if this man do half of what I'm doing for he's dead. If this man come online for twice in a day or even once in a day for 3 months, he is gone. He will die. P or more P. How many days? How many months he have served as a EFCC chairman? Huh? Look at him. I am sleeping 2 hours, sometimes 3 hours every day. He can't do it 1 month because all of them are dead men walking. Biafra people, anyị bụ ndị amụsịrị ike. Amụsịrị anyị ike n'elu akwa. Bam! Chi! When your mother give birth in Biafra land, atụọ gị na asụọ gị gbim. That is what you see. If this man do half, he will die. Onwo P. But look at him. He is not even up to 3 months here. Also, he's already dying. He's already dying on the stage. These are the people, as he is dying like this, the economy is dying. As he's dying like this, his office is dying. And then instead of him to leave the job for people who are fit, who are physically, mentally fit, he will say, I am fine. Give me Nunu the Kunu. Give me Nunu to drink. He will drink Nunu. Tomorrow I will be better. And bring one paper for him. Bring one file for him to read. He can't read it. He can't read it. He cannot read it. And immediately this man become EFCC chairman. He begin to grow head. He begin to grow head. Let me tell you the difference between us and them. If you look like a Nigerian, any day you join Biafra struggle, you look like me. You look fresh. You get gray hair. Your gray hair self go be style. You know since I get gray hair? Have you not seen it? When you see my gray hair self, gray hair go hungry you. Because I am fighting for Biafra. And I know that every spirit in me is telling me that, Simon Ekpa, you are doing the right thing for your people. Every spirit in me is telling me, Simon Ekpa, you are becoming a hero of your people. So if I am sleeping Biafra. If I am waking up, I am waking Biafra. If I am doing something, I am proud of what I am doing for my people. But this one, he knows that Nigeria is fake. So every day, the evil of Nigeria is eating the food in their body. Every day, they eat nkwobi, it will dry up. They eat kunu, it will dry up. They eat dawadawa, it will dry up. They drink zobo, it will dry up. They eat tuwo, it will dry up. Everything will go inside their stomach. The next day, it disappears. no nutrition, no anything. There is no vitamin C. Their mouth and their lips, everything is broken. I take a close look at them. Take a close look at them. It is the more they get the money, the hungry they become. How can you serve in a government of oil country, oil producing country? You are serving in the government and you look like a criminal. Well, a criminal is an insult. Criminal, they look good. Somebody said dawadawa. Is dawadawa? They eat dawadawa. You don't know what is dawadawa. You don't know what is dawadawa. Okay? This man has been harassing everybody. I will do this, I will do that. He is speaking Southerners and leaving Northerners because that is the job they asked him to come and do. And today, I have not have we not seen transmission? What have we not seen? Huh? My bro, what have we not seen? Transmission was in this government. Transmitter was in this government. In this same government. We have seen everything in this government. We have seen where monkey stole money in the north. In this government. We have seen where snake enter INEC WAEC office. Python swallowed every money in this government. As if that is not enough. The highest office of Nigeria, presidency, rat, chased the president away. In this government, what have we not seen? The government of witches and wizards, the government of monkey, the government of snakes, the government of rat and rodent. And all these animals become a symbol. They become symbol of Nigeria. You can let us just think about the animal: snake, monkey, rodent. You see, it is not even a better animal. If they have said tiger appeared and swallowed the money, we should be proud of that. That tiger appeared in WAEC office and swallowed money. Tiger is a king. He's a king in the forest. It will make sense. And when the American people and the Western people are hearing it, that tiger appeared, spiritual tiger appeared, it will make more sense. But they say snake. Okay, we pretended as if we didn't hear it. The next thing is monkey. Monkey came and stole money. We pretended as if we didn't hear it. And then the next thing is rat. All these kind of funny witch and wizard animals. That rat will chase president away from office. And Nigeria, we even chinchi. So if they have come to say that the president came back from London and the tiger or dragon, thank you very much, or dragon. Dragon is good. And they say he entered office and tiger and Black Panther. You know, Black Panther is even African. And Black Panther is everywhere in the office. So president cannot enter there. And then we will be asking, how did the Black Panther enter the office? They will tell us that it is spiritual Black Panther. That the Black Panther appear and disappear and appear and disappear. It will make sense. When Igbo people hear that kind of thing, if some Igbo people believe that if you go to Africa today, that a tiger will come out from the bush and chase you. People believe that. People believe that if you say that you are from Africa, you are Nigeria. Oh, wow, you are from Africa? Wow. So do you have tiger? Have you seen tiger? Did you see, do you have chimpanzee? Do you have all the, do you have all these animals and all that? Do they really come? Do you see them? Are they in the forest? They'll be asking all those kind of funny questions. Because Some of them believe that once you mention Africa, you have a lion. So if they have said that the office of the presidency of Nigeria were invaded by Black Panther, it would have given some respect. But no, we didn't hear that. It is rat. Ordinary okay. Okay, Belgium. Okay, Belgium. Okay, Ijiaka Pibu. Okay. Not even okay here. Not even this wide rat. The white rat is even big. Okay, Belgium. Okay, Belgium that will go inside the radio and die. Chase president away. And they are not ashamed to say it. They are not ashamed. They came out openly to lie against rat. Because rat cannot talk. Because rodent cannot defend themselves. Rodent cannot defend themselves. So I want you to see the people that are dead. Cops, working cops. Everybody in this government are all working cops. From Ngige down to the last person. Working cops. All of them are dead. When you see, that is why I have been telling people, please don't go and slap them. No, don't slap anybody. All these people you see, one hit you are going to give to all of anybody you hit, back. You go mad. You go mad. This man here now, if somebody gets angry where he go to do arrest, if somebody gets angry and punch him, that is the end. You go mad. Because all of them, from police to I'm not talking only politicians, even police, all of them naked. All these police you see doing like this on the road, my brother, they are not alive. This government has finished everything in them. They are not alive. The only strength they have now is that AK-47. If you remove AK-47, you will not see Nigeria police anywhere on the road because agụ na anyụ onye ọbụla ịkpapụ. Agụ na anyụ onye ọbụla ịkpapụ. Hunger is dealing with them. Everybody. And you know what? Let me play this. I know all of you have watched this video. Let us play it. Look at a young man. Young man. Young. Look the face. Look the face. He is not fit. He can't take the heat. And somebody will come and say, oh, he has worked himself out. Stress about work. Stress about work. This guy cannot do 1/4 of what Biafra agitators are doing. He can't do it. He will die. Look at him.
You have to stop here.
You have to stop here. Look. I must be EFCC chairman. Appointment. Look at him. Appointment. Hey, Ekumagana. Ona ama jigi. Look at him. Look. And then Ndi Agbada will now come to hold him. Look, a young boy. Look at him. He look like somebody who even the Biafra children look better than this man. Look at him. He can't do what his mate is doing because he's a Fulani. You cannot see any Fulani man who is fit. All of them look like sickness people. Look. Now the elders, the people that are 60 years are now coming to hold a younger boy. A younger boy, I'm qualified. I want to be EFCC chairman. Look at them. Look at them. They are holding him. He's falling down. Malami's son, he's falling down. Look. He can't stand. He can't take it anymore. Look at it. He can't take it anymore. All of them. I must be empowered. I must be empowered. With all the money, he is not sleeping. With all the looting, he is not eating. Look. Look at the people holding him. They are all more than 60. All of them. Look. That is the end. They have removed the tie. They have removed the tie. They removed the tie. Oh. They removed the tie. They removed it. Look at me. If I want, I will sit here for 4-5 hours every day. And in addition to what I am doing, one thing or the other every blessed day. And I will still go to gym. This morning, you know when I slept yesterday, this morning I already went to gym this morning. This man can't take it. That is Fulani. That is why Nigeria has, everything in Nigeria is dead. Because when you think you have a boy, a young boy, I am a young boy. I can lead Nigeria. I can lead EFCC. As he is dying, so as you look at him, he's dying. The office is dying. Nothing works. Before he can regain himself now, it will take him 2 weeks. And I wear glucose. Hey, bring glucose back. Hey, bring fura di nono back. Bring milk, everything. This man will not look like human being because they are in evil government. Their intention is not pure. Their intention is not pure. And the Biafra gonna one after the other until Biafra come. Anybody that open his mouth and say over his dead body, over your dead body you shall see Biafra. Over your dead body you shall see Biafra. Anybody that open his mouth working for this government and inside you are trying to prevent Biafra from coming, my brother, your days are numbered. Including why you don't see any Biafran governor dying yet is because inside them, they are Biafra. Believe me, even hope was on them. The reason you don't see them dying now is because inside them they are Biafra. They are even Biafra. They are more Biafra than most of you. Do you know that? I am telling you, they are more Biafra than most of you. Okay? If you doubt me, have you seen any governor coming out every Monday? Or seeing any governor going out to office every Monday to say, I have come to work. I want you to show me pictures. I know that after this video now, next Monday, Obiano, Umahi, they will go to office after this video. But I want to ask you, have you seen where anybody posted any picture anywhere? All these Mondays, have you seen anybody? I want you to check the whole internet. Anybody, where anybody posted picture of governor. Governor is at work on Monday. You can't see it. You cannot see it. If you see it, show me. Do you know what? They are even observing it at home. Governors. Governors are observing it at home every Monday. They will only come on social media. They will only come to the television house to rant. They will give a press statement. You must come to work. You must come to work. You must come this. You must do this. And then on Monday, they will never come out to show you that what the governors are doing is move, go. Don't agree. Because even the governor themselves, they are tired of Nigeria. They are tired. Let me tell you, we have a coded language now. When they say, please, come out. IPOD have cancelled and suspended the seat at home. My brother, they are speaking in parable. What they are actually telling you is, don't come out to. We have unfinished business, so these people will kill us all. We understand their language. You see all this thing that Ekweremadu was doing the other day? If I tell you, if Ekweremadu swear oath, if Ekweremadu go to a heavy shrine and swear oath that thing is that what he was saying in that press release is coming from his heart, he's going to die. He will die on one pay. If Ekweremadu swear oath that press release he was reading yesterday was coming from his heart, that it was, that is really what he's taking in his heart, he will die. He will die on one pay. But we know when they are saying all these things, they are praying. I wish they understand what we are thinking. I wish these people understand. I wish they understand. But I don't know that some of us who are moving with spirit, we know. We know. That is why they cannot, what I am doing now, you see this is at home, they cannot counter it, like they cannot come out to fight it. The only thing they will do is to issue statement, because they know I have seen in the spirit what they want, the message they are passing. And that's, some of you will be surprised now. Some of you will be surprised. Is it not? We said, am I not the one who was advocating that our leader have suspended it? Yes, our leader have suspended the sit at home. And I can confirm that. I can confirm that. But when the spirit of Biafra was telling me, and he's still telling me, that Simon Ekpa, what do you expect me to do? Do you want me to disobey the spirit? When I will be sleeping, the spirit of Biafra will be slapping me. Are you going to take the pain? All of you that are telling me, do you know what I have seen? Do you know what I have seen? Do you know Udihem Fugolo? You don't know. You see, every action somebody does, something prompted it. Every action, everything I'm doing here, something is prompting it. So are you going to collect the slap of Holy Spirit on my behalf? If you want to collect it, you let me know. Send me a private message so that I will channel the prayer to telling the spirit that he should visit you and give you the slap or that was meant for me, because I'm not ready to receive any spiritual slap. Okay? So when Ekweremadu was making that speech, I saw the video, and what I saw was the spirit was telling me, Simon Ekpa, Jekita ki izi ndị Biafra ozi osohokwa ha n'obi ihe a na-agwakwa gị bụ unu jisi ike na ndị egbuga anyị unu jisi ike na ndị egbuga anyị. How can you think that Ekweremadu meant, and all the senators, they actually meant what you heard? They don't mean it. Are they not the same people who came, who they have marginalized in the National Assembly? Ekweremadu and co, they have received the biggest insult, even more than you. Do you want to know how? Do you want to know how? You don't want to know how? Let me tell you. The thing you don't know is that the same Ekweremadu and co were the one who were crying, oh, come to National Assembly. We don't have any Igbo man there, not even a clerk. We have discussed with our colleagues so that the next time when there is vacancy, we are going to, so when that time when vacancy come now, we are going to, we have already spoken with them so that somebody can be employed, a Igbo person can be, even if a clerk. and they are begging. My brother, these senators are receiving it. Even they are at the receiving end. They are the one that Fulani are punching, left and right at the National Assembly. And they don't have any option because they don't have balls. So my brother, if you see Ike Ekweremadu, don't take him serious. What they were saying yesterday is not for you to stop and quit, sit at home. What they were, the real message they were passing is unu jisike, unu jisike, anyị kwunu nazo, unu jisike, unu jisike. But I am deadly serious. Unu jisike, unu jisike. And do you know that it was after that press release that our own Abaribe, issued a statement. Very, 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 very wonderful statement, which I'm going to read to you. Let me search for that statement. One moment. I will go on break and I'll search for the statement. I still have not located it. Just one moment. I want to show you what Ekweremadu said. Very, very important. Very, very important. Very, very important. So that you will know what is going on. I hope to see it. If I don't see it, then I'm going to play it. Maybe I'm going to read it. Maybe during the evening. Broadcast. During the evening broadcast, we are going to bring it and read to you. But I want you to see so that when they are making this speeches and giving all this press conference, they are not what they are reading is not what they mean. Okay. No, Abaribe gave after that press conference. Abaribe made a very powerful post, which is to tell you that even he himself understand that the speech Ekweremadu read was not what is in their mind. so it was not what is in their mind at all, and so everybody knows it is not what is in their mind. And I'm just trying to find it if I can play it. But then, before then, I want you to see the man called Hope Uzodimma. And I want you to take a very close look at Hope Uzodimma. Look how he's looking like a Nchi Keguru. Now, have you seen Nchi? If you go Nchi, the grass cutter, what is it called? Is it the grass cutter? What is Nchi in English? Nchi that is very, very tired. Have you seen the Nchi that is very, very tired? That is how Hope Uzodimma look like. Now I want to show you evil people. They can never look like human being upon all the money they are looting. I think I've just let me. All right, here we go. Here we go. Senator Ike Ekweremadu said, one moment. I have to post it and put it to the screen where you all can see it. Where you all can see it. Senator Ike Ekweremadu clear the air again on Biafra. Senator Ike Ekweremadu cleared the air again on Biafra. So I want to read it to you, and I want to bring it to the screen so that you know that this technology is something else. Posting it. Here we go. Here we go. Finally, we've gotten it. We've gotten it, and we've gotten it. Now I'm going to bring it to the screen. All right. Let us go there. Senator Enyenaya Abaribe. Let us zoom it to fit the screen very well. Senator Enyenaya, I just posted it now on Enter Biafra. Senator Enyenaya cleared the air. Now I want you to just look at this. Let me read it. Senator Enyenaya has cleared the air for Igbo's race again. This was after their yesterday meeting and press release. Okay. let me show you. Don't have anyone, Igbo race, don't have anyone in the leadership of executive arm of government that implement new law. You don't have anyone in the leadership of National Assembly that makes the law. You don't have anyone in the leadership of judiciary that interprets the law. You don't have anyone in the leadership of security agency that protect the lives and properties. You don't have anyone in the leadership of INEC that decide who wins the election. You don't have anyone in the leadership of custom service that controls the movement of goods and goods in and out of the country. You don't have anyone in the immigration service that controls the border. You don't have anyone in the Federal Road Safety Commission that controls the movement of vehicles. You don't have anyone in the leadership of National Population Commission that decide the population of every tribe. You don't have anyone in the leadership of NNPC that decide how oil money is shared. You don't have anyone in the leadership of Federal Inland Revenue Service that share revenue. So, and Abaribe asks you and me, who are you? And the answer is, you are an Igbo man. Now, somebody who is an Igbo man, who you have just listened to all what Abaribe listed, the same people are telling you, don't sit at home. You see what I'm telling you? Are you getting the point? Because even the senators themselves are helpless. The only thing they do is to complain. When is the help coming? When? How? How will the help come? And how? And some people don't know. They say, oh, they say, oh, you are sitting at home. How does that concern Buhari? That is naive. That is naive. You don't know how it concerns Buhari. Or, or how does that concern the man in Asoro? You don't know. You don't know how it concerns the man in Asoro. Let me tell you how it concerns the man in Asoro, because you people need to be tutored. I want to ask one question. Before you begin to ask, how does that concern the man in Asoro? Let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered? Have you ever wondered? Those who go on hunger strike from prison or in prison, those who go on hunger strike, who does it concern? I am asking you. Have you ever wondered, why do people go on hunger strike? No, you will not think like that now. Somebody will just decide, okay, I am not eating food again. I am not eating food again. Because I'm live. I'm live. Yeah. So somebody will just say, I am not eating food again. And then why don't people say, okay, is it my business? Die now. Die. Die. Die now. You see, one thing is that we will not be distracted. We are just receiving information that Dr. Nelly has been expelled from IPOD. I am not an IPOD leader now, okay? But this is not the right time to be expelling people. This is not the right time. This is not the right time. This is not the right time. And I am again cautioning the leadership of Biafra. May God give you the wisdom. Or alebo you will be putting it on others. This is not the time to expel people. This is not the time. So, and again, I will be protesting against the expulsion of Dr. Nelly, because I can see it right in front of me. I will be protesting against the expulsion of Nelly. And that is not, this is not the first time I will protest. But this is the biggest mistake coming from Mazi Chika Edoziem. The biggest mistake. Nelly is not your problem in IPOB. Nelly is not your problem. Nelly is not your problem. There are a lot of things that should have been avoided. We should focus on how to bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu out. We should focus on Biafra struggle. Expelling people from IPOB at this point is not the right thing to do. You don't solve problem by running away from the problem. And I have come again to deviate a little bit from the program. So I am protesting against this expulsion of Dr. Nelly because it is not the solution. And it can never be the solution. We must learn to handle issues that are sensitive. Don't say because you have power, because you have the right to expel people, every little given opportunity, every scandal, every saga, you sack people. This is not the right time. And let me tell you something. What you should, everybody who is in the leadership of IPOB should learn from Onyendu. What you people should learn from Onyendu is that Onyendu, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have a way of handling sensitive issues. And people that are in sensitive position, I never wanted to mention somebody's name here, but I'm going to use him as an example. The former deputy of IPOB. Upon all the thing that happened, upon everything that happened, I did not hear Mazi Nnamdi Kanu expelling Uche Mefo from IPOB. But correct me if I am wrong. I want you to correct me because I may not listen to all the broadcasts. So have you seen anywhere where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu expelled Uche Mefo? Please, so I am asking Biafrans. We are all Biafrans here. What I'm going to do, I hope that Chike Dosiam is going to learn, because nobody is above learning. Nobody is above learning. And nobody is above mistake. We are in a very critical time. You can't run away from problem by sacking people. It doesn't work like that. I may be new in this struggle, but I know what is right and what is wrong. Somebody said Uche Mefo resigned. No. No. After Uche Mefo, what you said resigning, he continued to maintain that he is part of IPOB. At that point, he continued to fight the DOS. At that point. So, I am not here now to begin to talk about all these things. But what I'm saying is that there are issues that you don't handle with iron fist as a leader. As a leader, you don't handle it with iron fist. You use wisdom. you use wisdom. If the order to sack and expel Dr. Nelly come from above or from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I can understand that. But let me tell you, I know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not somebody that if he's free and he's with us, he just come and start sacking people like that. I know he's not that kind of person. Before Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will open his mouth and say, you are no more with us, it means something must have really, really gone wrong. Something must have really, really gone wrong. Sometimes he may make decisions based on what people tell him and stuff like that. That is what makes a human being. But not on security. People are feeling in this struggle. They are managing them. You are sacking. This is not a good thing. This is not a good thing. Even if you want to sack anybody, you know, it should not be now that there are confusion everywhere. Try to solve this problem and pay a listening ear to people that bring complaint. People are complaining. Listen to them. People are bringing heavy allegations. Listen to them. I hope. What did I know? what did I know? I am just an ordinary man. I don't know anything. But let me tell you, nobody will destroy IPOB. It is not possible. Nobody. They never born you. Nobody will destroy IPOB. If you want to destroy IPOB, IPOB will destroy you. You can't destroy IPOB. But I want that we begin to have the spirit of solving problems instead of running away from them. EOS continue to be the biggest and the highest authority of IPOB. We agree. But I'm protesting just like the way I protested against the sack of Darlington. Just the way I protested against the sack of Darlington is the same way I am protesting against the sack of Nelly. And I am looking forward to Chi Watalago to live up to expectation and put all this power tussling and this, put it aside. Let us focus. Let us focus. Let us focus. At least nobody will say that somebody like me, I am interested in anybody's position. I am not interested, and I can never be. But let us put hands together and move forward. If somebody bring complaint, look into the complaint and solve it like a leader. That is why you are a leader. A leader is somebody that is ready to solve problem, not creating it. As a leader, you cannot be part of creating problem. Be a part of the solution. All this whole thing going, you see, everybody is accusing this one, accusing that one. That is why personally, I decided that I am not going to be picking call from certain people. And that is not to say that I have problem with those who are not picking their calls. I don't have any personal problem with anybody. I don't have any personal issue with anybody. But if I was picking your call before, let me make this very public today. If I have been picking your call before and I'm not picking it again, it's not that you have done anything to me. It's not that you have done anything wrong, okay? But the reason is that I don't want distraction. I don't want to be confused. I want to maintain my focus on the Biafra and what I'm doing. That is why when immediately this thing happened, I decided to cut some things out. So if you fall in the category of the people that are not picking your call, please, I am not fighting you and you have not done anything to me. But it is just my modus operandi, it is just my person. And if Onyendu comes out the way we are, because by that time, all these things, whether they are going to accuse me of everything, or whether they are going to say that Simon Ekpa, you try, but you failed it there, whether they're going to give me my report card, and if the report card says that I failed, I will try to pass the next time. So, but if the report card says that Simon Ekpa, you did well, but another person will give you credit, see, I will take it, and then we'll come back to normal. But because Onyendu is not here, I decided to, go into the shell because of all this missile that you people are shooting at me. Missile everywhere. So if I have a lot of people that are into this thing that I'm talking to, it's gonna bring a lot of problems. So I decided now I'm telling you the reason why I'm not picking your calls, and the reason why I'm not talking to you, and the reason why I can't talk to you is not because you did anything to me, but because I want to stay in my shell, and I want the circle to be very, very small for me, so that I will not compile the problem of entire IPOD and everybody. Okay? But as it is now, what this development is coming, it is not a good development. And I want Èxpøśeđ to be a leader. No matter what anybody have done, try to manage the crisis if there is any. Try to solve the problem if there is any problem. The way to solve problems are many. You cannot be ignoring people's complaint and you expect them to keep quiet. No. We are all human beings and we have limits. Everybody have limits. Everybody have, including you yourself. Somebody say, I should remember him in my paradise when my report card come positive. Positive. You never can tell now. I have heard a lot of story. Some people are saying, Simon Ekpa think that when Mazinam can't come out, yeah, he's going to do this. Of course, I have said it several times. What I'm doing is to the best of my ability. I have no ulterior motive. And if Mazinam cannot come out, and some people will go to him to first of all lie to him, the lie doesn't last. They will lie, oh, Simon Ekpa is evil. Simon Ekpa want to hijack the struggle. Simon Ekpa is this. Simon Ekpa is that. Simon Ekpa is this. Simon Ekpa is that. After they have lied all these things, which is going to happen, because I see it coming. They will lie all these things and everything, and then Mazinam Dikano will come and say, Simon Ekpa is a sabo, or Simon Ekpa is that. I will keep quiet because I know if he do that, he is doing it based on wrong information. That is not who he is. But if he also listens to other people who may tell him the truth, I believe that I may have, even if it is at least let it not be F9 ahead, but the report card will be manageable. Okay. They say somebody say very soon we hear that Mazinam can say we should drop Biafra struggle. No, you cannot say that. So please, Èxpøśeđ, sometimes when things happen like this, I know that some of you don't want to even listen to any advice from Simon Ekpa, but I have to give that advice. Whether you listen to it or you don't listen to it. I don't want to. And I have also seen a post where somebody is saying, where somebody is saying, do you see why we didn't give Radio Biafra? You know, you see why we didn't get Radio Biafra? It doesn't. I don't understand what is going on have to do with Radio Biafra. Let us always learn how to maintain and not escalate things. So I am appealing that I have protested, and this is not, even if you want to sack Nelly, let it not be this way. Let it not be this way. Let us apply some decorum. Let us apply some wisdom. Let it not be this way, because you are sending a wrong signal to Biafra people. You are sending a wrong signal to Biafra people. It is not good. You may be right. You may be right in your decision. But you have to look at the time. You have to look at the circumstances surrounding this whole thing, and then the time you bring this kind of memo. It is going to send a very wrong signal to the Biafra people. Very, very wrong signal. So I appeal to you people to look into it and recall Nelly, Dr. Nelly back. Let us not wash our destiny in the public. Because I believe that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is coming out very soon. Very, very soon. It's going to come out. So you can wait, let him come out. Like you have waited for other things you are still waiting for him to come out. So wait for him to come out. All right, let us continue. I want to bring the Hope Uzodinma's video so that you people can see what I was talking about. So that people can see what I'm talking about. That everybody that served Nigeria will always look like somebody who here we go.
Yesterday, a lot of people are already talking about Igbo presidency. Was there any commitment given to the leaders today after that meeting?
I don't understand what you mean by commitment. Our people came to receive Mr. President, who visited Imo State, in solidarity to the governor of Imo State.
Are you looking at
and we did not, have nothing to do with 2023 election or politics or any committee.
Look how weak he sounds. Very, very weak. Very, very weak. He is speaking with all his strength. Very weak.
We only
look the eye.
Received the president who came here on a working visit, commissioned projects, and then had an interaction with us. You know. So I don't know. There was no other discussion as to 2023 election or not.
Yeah, because I was asking that in view of the agitation of marginalization. I guess that also was the matter that was discussed today when the leaders were meeting the president.
Look at him. Look at him. Like somebody who is in the hospital bed. Very sick looking people. Look at the man.
No, I don't know who told you that. There was no such discussion.
Did you hear that? There was no such discussion about marginalization of Ndi. There was no such discussion about marginalization of Ndi. Right. Right. Look at this man. This dead man walking. Right.
And there was no mention of marginalization or whatever you may call it.
Did you see that? As they are telling you, oh, the man is coming to discuss the Igbo plight. You people should do this, you people should do that. Hope Uzodinma is telling you, upon all these things Ohaneze Ndigbo did, Ohaneze Ndigbo ran to go and welcome the man in Imo State. Have you seen that Ohaneze Ndigbo has been exposed? Ohaneze Ndigbo, we are going to use the opportunity to discuss Igbo. We are going to discuss Igbo marginalization on Igbo. Let us. And you see now that they have exposed Ohaneze Ndigbo, but they will come and lie to you. Hey, we are going to Imo State. The man is coming. We are going to discuss Igbo marginalization. This man is telling you nothing like that happened. That you don't know what the hell the journalist is talking about. Who know whether Ohaneze have given a statement? We discussed with the president. He said he is going to look into Igbo affair. Look at this man. I believe that Ohaneze Ndigbo must have issued a statement after the visit of the president. They will offer a statement. I believe they have said something. They have said, Mr. President was in Imo State, so we have discussed the plight of Ndigbo. Everything is fine. President is ready to work with us. And this man is here telling you nothing like that happened. What the hell are you talking about? Elders, and Akwashi. Hey, Ndi 419. Elders in the 419. I will rush now to go everybody. We discuss with the president. Now listen to him.
Of 2023, a lot of people are already talking about Igbo presidency. Was there any commitment given to the leaders today after that meeting?
I don't understand what you mean by commitment. Our people came to receive Mr. President, who visited Imo State.
This man, Amugo.
In solidarity to the governor of Imo State.
He can't even.
And we did not, has nothing to do with 2023 election or politics or any committee. We only received the president who came here on a working visit, commissioned projects, and then had an interaction with us.
Like somebody who is in the hospital.
So, I don't know, there was no other discussion as to 2023 election or not.
Yeah, because I was asking that in view of the agitation of marginalization. I guess that also was a matter that was discussed today when the leaders were meeting the president.
Noni, agitation of marginalization of Ndigbo. This man said, okay, somebody is asking what project? Marginalization of Ndigbo. That is to show you these are not the people you should listen to. You can imagine. This man is telling you that he is a governor in Igbo land. And then the president come. Outsiders, Yorubas, a Yoruba journalist, have this kind of understanding that for the man in Asorok to bring himself, Igbo, that they are going to discuss that thing that Igbo people are shouting about. Marginalization. And then the man you say he is a governor. The man you say he's a governor. He is now telling you, the whole world, that which marginalization that they did not discuss anything like that. How can you think that this man can ever represent your interest? Have you seen the reason why he's bringing military and the helicopter in Imo State to kill our people? Because he don't care. And not only him. All of them. Including those who come from Enugu State and went to Imo State to visit the president. Including the one that came from Ebonyi State and go to Imo State. Including the one that come from Anambra. And include all the governors that come there from Ali. They could not bring topic of marginalization of Ndigbo there. All of them. Listen to him. Your representative. Nina Sige, oh, please come and stop the sit at home. We are going to meet the president. The president you could not meet when he came to your Alibo to discuss that. Mr. President, do you know that today people did not come out because IPOD ordered them to sit at home What are we going to do? Our people are angry. They didn't do it. When president is going to or was going to be the first witness the whole thing first-hand information, Koro, they would have just carried the president and said, President, wine your glass. So see people, there's nobody in the road. Because IPOD say people must not come out because you are coming here. And people are angry. What can we do to appease them? They didn't do that. Now, Ekpa is coming because they are bringing a paper. They went inside and wrote paper. And Ekpa is reading. We are constituting committee. We are going to meet the Mr. President and discuss with Mr. President about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you could not discuss about him when he come to your land. You want to go to Abuja? Because Abuja is where your brain is working. Your brain doesn't work in the east. Oh, your brain, it doesn't work there. Your brain works only in Abuja. So you must go to Abuja to discuss about the plight of Ndigbo to the president. When the president came to your land, you could not discuss your plight of, to the president. You want to allow the president to go to Abuja first because he was too busy when he come to Imo State. He doesn't talk. The only thing that we're doing was to eat. The only thing that we're doing was to eat orgy. Okay? They were eating orgy. They bring the orgy and gave to the president. And the president was looking like this. You see, you want to poison? You want to poison me? They told me if I come here, I should not eat anything. You people are wicked. Okay? So how can you allow that to happen? After that, you now come back and say you want to go to Abuja. You want to go to Abuja. That is wrong. That is wrong. And then our first broadcast is coming to an end. And then during the evening broadcast, we are going to entertain questions and we are going to entertain your comments and your concern. I wanted to spend 1 hour here. I've spent 1 hour, 30 minutes, and we are going to end it here. So wait for the evening broadcast that is coming in the next 3 hours. In the next 3 hours, I'm going to see you again. Thank you very much. May God bless you and talk to you and see you in the next 3 hours. Goodbye.
We have this morning two gentlemen here in the studio. Bulus Atsen is the chairman of the Nigeria Bar Association here in Abuja. And then we also have with us Mr. Usman Baba Ngerzama, who is the national secretary of the Miyetti Allah Cattle Breeders Association of Nigeria. Gentlemen, you're welcome to Sunrise Daily this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for having us.
Well, quite a bit of background to provide to our viewers this morning, but I think it's very important that they understand the context, even though I imagine that those who have been following the news would have been able to, put into context what is happening. But just in case anyone has missed any part, this is the situation that we have today. Lagos State has joined a number of states that have passed the anti-open grazing bill into law. Let me first of all ask you, Sir Baba Ngerzama, how, because I do know that I think it was your association that made an appeal to the Lagos State government. Was it your own association? Because we do know that there's Miyetti Allah Kauta Hore and there's yours. Are they a faction of your group, or how is your relationship with them?
No, it's never a faction. It's a duly registered association, just like the Magban. Though we have large followership and we were in existence